Winter storm didn't just shut down roads, it shut down storefronts and businesses. Small business owners are reopening finally after days of lost revenue, canceled bookings, and deliveries that never made it.
WLKY's DeAndrea Turner joins us now live in Nulu with how these businesses are bouncing back. DeAndrea.
Hi, Rick and Jennifer. Well, the sidewalks are pretty walkable. I'm going to show you over here. The streets are walkable. Streets are walkable. Don't walk in the streets. Don't do that. Drive in the streets. And people are doing that. They are here in Nulu. The only thing that you really have to get over is this big hump of snow. When you get out of your car, if you have the strength, you have to get all over this. But that doesn't matter because businesses are open and they want you to come inside of their doors.
This is our first day open since Saturday morning.
In Nulu, Paxton's doors are now open again after the winter storm brought business to a stop.
It's a minimum of $200 just to stay open between rent and overhead and payroll and all of those things. So every day that we're not having sales and customers walking through the door, I mean, that's going to add up. It's going to be a good $1,000 plus for everybody just at base level.
In Beachmont, Supreme Peace Yoga stayed closed from Sunday to Tuesday because no one could get in. Neighbors helped clear the driveways to get this business back going again.
It means that we can have our doors open for class tonight. It means people have a place that they can come and de-stress from their own lives, but also from everything else that they're holding.
But the storm did hurt them.
Our bottom line is thin. And it does. It absolutely makes a huge difference.
And across the river in New Albany, a DIY perfume shop felt the storm hit hardest on Saturday.
All the seats were full the whole day, and we had a party that night. Every single one of them canceled.
The owner says they make half of their profit on Saturdays, so it was half of a week's worth of work lost, coupled with money lost on an online order.
We had to refund a $600 order because it was shipped overnight UPS, but UPS didn't ship it overnight, and they actually needed it for an event.
But recovery has started.
We are fully booked again for this Saturday, so I am hopeful that those bookings stick and nothing else happens.
A reminder that after the snow clears, small businesses don't just reopen, they restart.
But we're just holding out hope that something big is going to come and everyone's going to get out and support small the way we really hope that they will.
So from the metro to southern Indiana, these small businesses are open, and they say the best way to support them is by coming in and shopping and dining. For now in Nulu, DeAndrea Turner, WLKY News.